Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the guard clauses, right? So let's start the tutorial. So basically guard clause basically shorten your if else condition and break into the less number of line of codes. So if I write a logic, suppose if age is greater than 18, okay, greater than 18, then we will do the operations if age is greater than 18, and if you can also have one more if, that is user, if user dot age is great, if user dot then gender, you can add gender is equal to male, then again you are going to bind the case else. Here you can return false, right? Here you can write return true, correct? And after this if, there is a if condition. Here you can also bind it by else condition, like return false, right? So you can see there is how much lines of code we have written. First it will check if age is greater than 18, okay, then it will go to this one, else it will return false. So how we are going to shorten this code using the guard clause? So here I'm going to add if age greater than 18, or you can also directly bind if age is not equal to not equal to 18 or less than 18. So you can directly return false, right? So it will not going to look out the else of the code. So going to the server, rest of the code reading, it will directly return to the false, and rest of the code not able to read by the logic, right? So we can use such a one liner word. So here you can also add if user dot gender is not equal to male, then again you can also return false, so that not going to read the logic rest of it, right? So this way this is easy to readable also, and not going to execute step by step code. So using this line of codes like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 line of codes, we can commit into the 2 to 3 4 lines into that logic. So this is basically the syntax of that one, that is all clause, guard clause. So you can use simple functions like if the age is or greater than 18, return true. And if it is if suppose if I'm going to write this code in the short form, if age is greater than 18, return true, that means it will go to the next block. If user age is equal to male, then return true, else. So it will not going to look at the any of the block, and the else condition, it will return always false. So this line of codes is just using and in this line of code that is shortened by the guard clause, right? So you can shorten this code using the guard clause. And I hope you understand the video what exactly you can avoid the logic of the if else multiple conditions and make the code readability so for the developers. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.